Today we're going to walk you through how to create a high converting sales funnel and optimize checkout pages using FunnelKit, one of the best sales funnel builders available for WordPress. We'll be using Hostinger as our WordPress hosting platform, but feel free to explore other alternatives like Bluehost if you prefer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a full sales funnel built out, complete with a checkout, upsell, and even thank you page. Plus, you can get started with FunnelKit, which offers a 14-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out risk-free. Let's go ahead and dive in. What is FunnelKit? FunnelKit is a funnel building plugin for WordPress that allows you to create conversion-optimized sales funnels, checkout pages, order bumps, and one-click upsells. It's a powerful tool designed to enhance WooCommerce, making it easier for store owners to maximize revenue without complicated setups or expensive third-party services. By using FunnelKit, you can build fully customizable sales funnels directly on your WordPress site, leading visitors from opt-in pages to checkout pages and even upselling them before they complete their purchase. The result? Increased sales and higher average order values. One of the standout features of FunnelKit is its pre-designed templates. These templates are mobile responsive, meaning that they look great on any device. You can use them to create beautiful, high-converting funnels in a matter of minutes. Whether you're selling physical products, digital downloads, or offering services, FunnelKit provides you the flexibility to tailor each step of the customer journey. Before we jump into the actual funnel building process, it's important to understand why WordPress, paired with a hosting platform like Hostinger, is such a great combination for building sales funnels. WordPress is incredibly versatile and open source, which means that it's fully customizable and integrates with thousands of plugins, like FunnelKit. Unlike many funnel builders that charge hefty monthly fees, using WordPress and FunnelKit gives you complete control over your funnel without the high ongoing costs. It's a much more affordable and scalable solution, especially for small businesses or startups. Now, Hostinger is one of the best hosting providers for WordPress, offering fast speeds, reliable uptime, and affordable pricing. They also provide one-click WordPress installation, making it super easy to get started. Plus, if you're ever in need of customer support, Hostinger offers 24/7 live chat. Setting up WordPress with Hostinger. First things first, let's talk about getting your WordPress site set up with Hostinger. If you already have your WordPress site up and running, then you can skip this step. But for those starting fresh, here's how to get started. Click the link down in the description for hostinger.com and sign up for one of their hosting plans. They offer really competitive pricing, excellent performance, and great customer support, making them a great choice for WordPress users. So when you click that link down in the description, it's going to bring you to this page right here, and just click on the Start Now, and you can choose from one of their 3 plans. They have the Premium plan, the Business plan, and the Cloud Startup plan, all backed by their 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, if you're just getting started and this is your very first website, then the Premium plan is going to be more than enough for most of you. So we'll go ahead and click on Choose Plan for the Premium plan. Then the next thing that we're going to do is go ahead and select a term. We can either go ahead and select a 1-month term, a 12-month term, 24-month term, or a 48-month term. For this example, we'll go ahead and select the 12-month term. Now, the last thing that you're going to want to do here is in the coupon code area, type in my first website, click apply, and get an even greater discount. For only $32.29, you're going to get a full year of hosting on Hostinger, where you can go ahead and set up your WordPress website. Alternatively, you could go ahead and get started with Bluehost, which is another great WordPress hosting website. Once you've signed up, go to your Hostinger dashboard and install WordPress. The process is super simple, and Hostinger even provides a one-click WordPress installation feature. After installing WordPress, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard and start customizing your website by choosing a theme and installing the essential plugins. This is where FunnelKit comes into play. Now, if you prefer an alternative hosting platform, Bluehost is another fantastic option that integrates seamlessly with WordPress and FunnelKit. Bluehost also offers a one-click WordPress installation, and they're known for their excellent support. So if you wanted to get started with Bluehost, we do have a link for them down in the description as well. And then also backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. So again, for this example, we'll be using Hostinger. So once you go ahead, sign up for Hostinger, it's going to look something like this. And we're going to come over here to websites, and you'll probably have just one hosting plan here, and you can go ahead and just add a website there. So I'm going to go ahead and click on add website, and we're going to select the WordPress option here. And it's just going to ask us to create a little login here, and we'll go ahead and hit next. And it's going to ask, what type of website do you want to build? We'll go ahead and just create a blank site for now, and we'll go ahead and just use a temporary domain. And now we just give it a minute here to go ahead and install WordPress. Okay, and after just a minute or so here, WordPress is installed, and we can go ahead and click right here to go to the WordPress admin panel. With your WordPress site ready, let's move on to installing FunnelKit. FunnelKit is available as both a free light version and a premium version, offering additional features and pre-designed templates. Here's how to install it. So in your WordPress dashboard, head over to plugins, add new, and search for FunnelKit. Click install now, and once installed, hit activate. After activation, you'll notice a new FunnelKit section in your WordPress admin menu. And from here, you can begin creating your sales funnels, checkout pages, and more. So we'll come over here on the left-hand side to plugins, click on add new plugin, and here we'll go ahead and search for FunnelKit and hit search. We'll go ahead and right here, click on install now, and we'll go ahead and click on activate, and there we go. Now we can go ahead and see FunnelKit over here on our left-hand side. So we'll go ahead and click on that, and it's gonna bring us through this guided setup here. So we'll go ahead and click on get started, and it says get the essential plugins installed with one click. FunnelKit uses WooCommerce to process payments. We will install it along with Stripe for taking payments, and FunnelKit automations for abandoned cart and post-purchase follow-ups. So we'll go ahead and click install and activate, and we'll go ahead and skip that step, and now we'll go ahead and go to click create checkout. So at this point, you may be wondering whether you need the light or the premium version of FunnelKit. And if you're just starting out, the free version should cover most of your basic needs, and you can at least try it out. However, if you want access to more advanced features like A/B testing, more in-depth analytics, and a wider variety of pre-built templates, then we recommend the premium version, and it may be worth the investment for you. You can go ahead and use the link down in the description to get started with FunnelKit Premium. They also have a 14-day money-back guarantee, so you can make sure that it's going to work for you. Creating your first sales funnel. Now that we have FunnelKit installed, let's create your first sales funnel. So sales funnels are essential for guiding your visitors through a structured journey, from learning about your products to making a purchase. We'll show you step by step how to do this. So we're going to go to FunnelKit and the funnel section in the WordPress dashboard. So we'll go ahead and click on FunnelKit over here on the left-hand side. And we'll go ahead and click on funnels right here, and we'll go ahead and click on create funnel. So for this tutorial, we'll just choose a pre-built template to save time. And you can see the little crown in the top right corners. That means that it is a premium template. So for this example, we'll just go ahead and choose a free template so you can see what that looks like. So we'll go ahead, click on this one, click on preview. We can go ahead and see the checkout page, the one-click upsell page, and the thank you page. So go ahead and click on import this funnel. We'll just call this example funnel and click done and activate. So FunnelKit provides a range of funnel templates, including opt-in pages, checkout pages, and thank you pages. So just select the sales funnel template that fits your needs and click import. Once imported, you'll be able to customize each step of the funnel. Let's break down what each step entails. So step one is the opt-in or the landing page. And the opt-in or landing page is the first step of your sales funnel. It's where you capture your visitors' attention and encourage them to engage with your offer. You can use a lead magnet like a free ebook, template, or discount to entice them to provide their email address. When creating your opt-in page, focus on keeping the design simple yet engaging. Here are some key elements to include. A strong headline. Your headline should grab attention immediately. Should communicate the value of your offer and in a way that's clear and compelling. Clear call to action. Make sure your CTA button is prominent and easy to find. Use action-oriented language like get my free guide or start your free trial. Visuals include images or videos that complement your offer. This could be a mock-up of your lead magnet or a short video explaining the benefits of signing up. So right now, now, we don't have an opt-in page for this funnel. So we just have the checkout page with the order bump there. There's also the one-click upsell offer and then the thank you page. So we need the opt-in page to happen before this. So we'll go ahead and click on add new step. Then we'll go ahead and select opt-in, and then we'll go ahead and choose one from this page here. So I like the looks of this one here. We'll go ahead and click on preview, and I like the way this looks. So we'll go ahead and click on import this template, and we'll call this opt-in. So now we can see that opt-in, but we want that to happen first. So we'll go ahead and bring that to the top. So to go ahead and edit any of these pages, I'm just gonna go ahead and click on opt-in right here. And then we can go ahead and edit this Elementor template. So I'll go ahead and click on that. And now we are editing this opt-in page in Elementor. So we can go ahead and change this to whatever we'd like. So we'll go ahead and maybe change this background color. We'll come over here, click on style, come down to the color here, and maybe we'll make that like a dark blue, something like that looks okay. For now, we'll go ahead and just leave that like that, but you can go ahead and edit this however you'd like in Elementor. Elementor makes it super easy to go ahead and make changes to this page. So once we're done, we'll go ahead and click publish, and we'll exit to WordPress. So back in FunnelKit, we'll come over here to our example funnel. Next, let's customize your checkout page, which is where your visitors complete their purchase. FunnelKit makes this incredibly easy with its drag and drop editor and pre-designed templates. Here's how you can enhance your checkout for maximum conversions. Choose between a one-step or a multi-step checkout. Multi-step checkouts often have higher conversion rates because they break the process down into smaller, less intimidating steps. But if you want something more streamlined, then a one-step checkout could work better. Add trust elements like security badges, customer testimonials, and money-back guarantees. These elements build trust and reduce anxiety around completing the purchase. Customize the form fields to collect only the most essential information. The fewer fields that your customer has to fill out, the less friction there is during checkout. And remember, a well-designed checkout page can significantly reduce cart abandonment and increase your sales. So to customize the checkout page, we'll go ahead and click on checkout right here. And then we're gonna go ahead and click on edit Elementor template. Here we can go ahead and see our checkout page. And again, this is the template that we got from FunnelKit. And we can go ahead and see that it already has a review right there, which is great. And again, that's just gonna build trust with your audience. But you can come in here and edit this however you'd like using Elementor. So if you wanted to change the color of this background, maybe to something kind of like that. Again, Elementor makes it very easy to do so. Maybe you wanted to change the color of this button. We can come in here, maybe change that to like a green or something, and go ahead and hit publish. Now back here in FunnelKit, this is where we can go ahead and add different elements that we want to collect. So for the customer information, we have email, first name, last name, shipping address, billing address, phone selected. We could go ahead and add something else over here if we'd like, but this is where you can go ahead and edit all of these fields here. Step 3, adding an order bump. So an order bump is an additional product or offer displayed on the checkout page. And this is a great way to increase your average order value by offering a complimentary product at the last minute. Here's how to add one with FunnelKit. In the checkout page step, click Add Order Bump. Choose a product from your WooCommerce catalog to display as an order bump and add a short description to explain its value. Make sure that this product is relevant to the main purchase. For example, if your customer is buying a camera, offering an SD card as another order bump would make sense. Then customize the appearance of your order bump by choosing from FunnelKit's design options and applying your brand colors. This simple addition can dramatically boost your sales without any extra effort from the customer. In fact, some businesses see as much as a 10 to 30% increase in revenue just from implementing using order bumps. So inside FunnelKit, we can go ahead and see the order bump option here below the checkout. And again, this is a premium feature, so you will need the premium version of FunnelKit to access this. We'll go ahead and view the templates by clicking right here, and we can sort of see what this looks like. Adding one-click upsells. So after the checkout page, the next step is the one-click upsell. FunnelKit allows you to present upsell offers that your customers can accept with a single click, making it seamless for them and highly profitable for you. To add an upsell, just go to the upsell page step in FunnelKit. We're gonna go ahead and click edit and select the product from your WooCommerce catalog to offer as an upsell. You can even set up multiple upsell offers or create a downsell in case the customer rejects the first offer. Customize the upsell page to match your branding and ensure that it flows with the rest of the funnel. The key to a good upsell is offering a product that complements the original purchase. For example, if someone buys a camera, offering an extended warranty or a set of accessories as an upsell makes sense here. Examples of upsell strategy. Let's say you run an online fitness store. If a customer buys a protein powder, you could offer them a 10% discount on a 30-day supply of vitamins or supplements as an upsell. This not only enhances their purchase experience, but also increases the likelihood of them returning for more products in the future. Customizing the thank you page. So the final step of your sales funnel is the thank you page, where you confirm the customer's orders and show appreciation for their purchase. This page also serves as a great opportunity to encourage further engagement, such as following your brand on social media, leaving a review, or subscribing to your email list. Here's how to get the most out of your thank you page. We're gonna go to the thank you page step in FunnelKit. Here we'll go ahead, click edit, and personalize the message to thank your customer for their purchase. You can also add a link to track the order status if it's a physical product, or provide access to downloadable products if it's a digital product. You can also include a social sharing option or a referral program to encourage your customer to spread the word about your business. A well-designed thank you page is often overlooked, but it can be a powerful tool to nurture long-term customer relationships and boost repeat purchases. So to edit the thank you page, we can go ahead and click on the thank you page right here. And here we can go ahead and edit these personalization shortcuts if we need to right here. Or if we wanted to go ahead and edit it in Elementor, we could click right here to edit the Elementor template, and that'll bring up the Elementor editor. So again, here we can go ahead and change this to match our branding and make any other changes to our thank you page that we need here using Elementor. Adding tracking pixels. Before launching your funnel, don't forget to add tracking pixels. FunnelKit makes it easy to integrate Facebook pixels, Google Analytics, or any other tracking tools that you use. To do this, click on the settings icon in FunnelKit and select pixel tracking. Paste your tracking pixel codes and FunnelKit will automatically add them to every relevant page in your sales funnel, ensuring that you can track conversions and performance. Tracking your funnel's performance is essential to understand where your customers are dropping off and how you can optimize your funnel for even better results. With tools like A/B testing, you can test different versions of your pages to see what works best for your audience. So once you've set everything up, it's time to test your funnel. With FunnelKit's 14-day money-back guarantee, you have the flexibility to try out all of its features and see the impact that it has on your sales. If you're not satisfied, you can always request a refund, so there's really no risk involved. Testing your funnel is critical to ensure that everything is working smoothly before you launch it to the public. Run test transactions, check that all upsells and downsells are triggering correctly, and make sure that your thank you page is properly displaying the order information. So to go ahead and set up that tracking pixel, we'll come here to FunnelKit. We'll come up here and click on settings. Over here on the left hand, we have pixel tracking, and we have some different tabs here. So we have a tab for the Facebook pixel. We can go ahead and paste that in. We have a option here for the Google Analytics, Google Ads, Pinterest, TikTok, as well as Snapchat for all your tracking needs. Final thoughts. So that is it for our WordPress plus FunnelKit tutorial. By now, you should have a fully functional sales funnel set up in WordPress using FunnelKit. Whether you're selling physical products, digital downloads, or services, this tool can help you increase your conversions and average order value with ease. Now, if you want to get started with any of the products that we talked about today, you'll find links for them down in the description. These are affiliate links, which means that we do earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. These commissions really help support the channel, and it allows us to continue making free content just like this. So if you end up using those links, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce, providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.